What's up, everybody? I'm Brian Tong, your guide to all things Salesforce, and this is Salesforce Explained. It's a series where we talk Salesforce and technology without the jargon or buzzwords, and today we are diving in to Customer 360. What is it and how does it work? I've got your questions, and we're gonna get it started right here. So first up, what is Salesforce Customer 360? Salesforce Customer 360 isn't a single product, it's the entire Salesforce portfolio of technology and services. Salesforce Customer 360 is the #1 ranked customer relationship management platform that helps companies unite their teams with a shared view of every customer. Your teams have best-in-class apps to work from, and they all have the same customer data. It's everything that you need to deliver great experiences. So that's the short version, but let's unpack that and go a little deeper into what that means. We all know data is the fuel computer systems run on, and today's companies have more data than ever floating around their computers, including customer data. And a lot of times, all of this data is stored in different systems, even when it all belongs to the same business. It's like you've got your sales team over here using some combination of their inboxes plus spreadsheets to track their deals. And then here's your marketing team, juggling a few different tools for their campaigns, events, and content marketing without an easy way to tell sales which leads are ready for some direct outreach. That's your service team responding to customers on a completely different system, so they can't easily tell marketing who to stop emailing because they have an open ticket. And then here is your leadership team. They're asking everyone to manually update spreadsheets so they can look at the business big picture. But by the time the spreadsheets are updated, they're already out of date. I mean, look at all those information silos. It's like the wild, wild west out there. Although, it does kind of make me want to visit a dude ranch. Okay, shake it off. All right, this is exactly where Salesforce Customer 360 comes in. It breaks down those silos so you can connect your teams and data. So let's check it out. When teams can easily share information, everyone gets a more complete view of customers. Wait for it, 360-degree view, which looks more like this. Your sales team knows who has recently visited your website so they can discover better leads. Meanwhile, your customers who have questions can find your answers faster on your website. Self-service portals and chatbots give your customers with frequently asked questions what they want in real time, all while giving your agents more time to keep customers happy. And your marketing department knows which customers have open cases, so they won't reach out to that customer with promotions while they're experiencing technical issues. It's your whole company. I'm talking marketing, sales, commerce, service, and IT teams, no matter what size of business or what industry, all using the same platform, sharing data, updating records, and seeing that full view of every customer. That kind of 360-degree view enables you to deliver seamless, consistent experiences. And this is what it's like when Customer 360 is your single source of truth for all your customer data. And it is truly amazing what happens when all of your teams have best-in-class apps to work from. Everyone is empowered to work from anywhere and still provides a seamless, consistent experience that wows your customers. Because you know your customers want to be wowed. Am I right? Yeah, you know I am. So we got a good idea of what Customer 360 is and what it can do to connect people and teams in your business. But what do you actually get, right? What is included in Customer 360? And I think a better question might be what's not included, because it covers so much. So let's get a little deeper. Let's dive in even more. And we're starting with sales. Manage every step of the sales journey, help every rep be more effective, and close more deals with Sales Cloud. Next is service. Service Cloud makes it easy to deliver personalized customer service experiences, connect every channel, personalize every engagement, and scale every process as your business grows. Did I say growth, Brian? Well, yes, you did. Yeah, I did. And that must mean it's time for some marketing. Marketing Cloud helps you reach audiences across all of your touch points, digital advertising, email, mobile, and social. And it's not just about growing in size. It's about helping your customer relationships grow stronger, right? Get to know your customers, humanize every moment, and reach customers with personalized messaging on the channels they already like using. Then there's Salesforce Commerce Cloud. All kinds of companies are using Commerce Cloud to grow their online businesses by delivering seamless experiences without all the complexity and hassle. Simplify processes and cut costs at the same time? Yes, please. Like, it's true. And it can happen to you. Commerce Cloud is the way. Speaking of, cutting through the complexity, wait until you see what Customer 360 can do for your data. I'm talking analytics, because analytics is the easy way with Tableau and Einstein. Now, if you haven't tried Tableau, you got to check it out. It's a data visualization tool, which basically means that it turns all of your data into charts and graphics and other visuals, so you can make sense of it even if you wouldn't exactly call yourself a number cruncher. Combine that with Einstein Analytics, which analyzes your data to create actionable insights you can actually use to help make real-world decisions, and you have some serious business intelligence right up here and right at your fingertips. And there's more. You can build apps, integrate with other business systems, and Salesforce Customer 360 works for any industry as well. Now, Salesforce solutions are tailored to your business, and verticals are created with industry experts to help you modernize your business, save time, and lower costs. Talk about a game changer. And speaking of changing the game, allow me to introduce you to CDP, which stands for Customer Data Platform. CDP is powering the next generation of CRM, and it gives your company the ability to manage the entirety of your first-party data to give you a complete view of your customers. We're talking personalized, real-time, and scalable data. Now, this is some really incredible stuff, and we'll have a whole episode on CDP later in the series, so make sure to check back for all the details. And here's another big part of Customer 360, Slack, which is basically awesome sauce in a bottle, except no bottle because, it's software. Although you're going to want to drink it up. It is so much more than chat rooms. Salesforce and Slack bring together all your teams with the messaging, apps, and data that they need in one workspace. Now, everyone can collaborate from anywhere, whether that's from your office, your home, or your kid's basketball game, when they are resting on the bench, of course. Now, I wasn't lying when I said it covers so much, and that's how Customer 360 empowers companies like yours to deliver the wow. It's a single source of truth for connected customer experiences. So whether customers are meeting you in person or answering your emails or chatting on the phone, Salesforce has one platform connecting every touch point, helping businesses of all sizes in every industry. Whew! Customer 360 is big, and all the products are rated best in class by leading analysts, which begs the million-dollar question, do I have to use all of it? Like, does my business, which could hypothetically benefit from, let's say, Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, but might not with the other pieces, at least not right now. Like, do I have to sign up for the whole enchilada? Of course not. But saying enchilada also made me hungry. I mean, everything is designed to be used individually or together. It's a system, and it's customizable to fit your business and your unique needs. But, that's right, cue the dramatic music. There is a but. When you do start using these products together, come on now, that's where the real magic happens. There's an incremental value thing that starts happening here. Think of it as a 1 + 1 = 3 kind of thing. And I'm good at math. Like, the products are all designed by Salesforce. They're designed to work together with a common vision, roadmap, and best practices defined like across product workflows and processes. And they come pre-integrated. No more building that yourself, because ain't nobody got time for that. Now, when you put two or more of the products together, they help teams work better together. And business leaders know whenever you can improve communications and productivity on individual teams and across multiple teams, the whole business realizes greater success. I see you like on the other side of the camera, out there behind your screen. I see you watching. I see you laughing or rolling your eyes at my jokes. Well, some of you. And, I hear you asking, Brian, this all sounds super cool and all, but I am on the ground here doing the daily grind. How does all this Customer 360 stuff really work day to day in my business? Well, Customer 360 works however you need it to, and it can work one way now and then change over time as your business grows and evolves. Every company is unique, and Salesforce can help you find the right solution for your business and your customers. And even better news is that you can get started with really simple next steps. So go ahead and click the link on screen to learn how Salesforce Customer 360 can best work for you. We'll see you next time.